To my middle school students, middle school is a very interesting time. Here are a few tips to survive middle school. With school quickly approaching, looking over your personal hygiene is very important, meaning showering regularly, washing your face to prevent acne, and most importantly, wearing deodorant. What kind of deodorant? Doesn't even matter, just wear some deodorant. Hi, I'm Mr. Trayvon, and as you can see from Trayvon, social media is very addictive, but it's important to be mindful of your social media use and stay safe. So never share embarrassing photos of yourself to anyone, never talk to strangers online, and never share your personal identifying information on social media. And while you're in middle school, avoid drama at all costs, because drama is easy to get into, but it can be very hard to get out of. My piece of advice is, if you think someone's talking mess about you, if you didn't hear from that person, just don't believe it, because that's how a lot of middle schoolers get into unnecessary drama, because they listen to somebody else who told them a story that was different from what really happened. To my middle school students, I wish you all the best. Good luck this year.